Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email address on NerdWallet. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in nerdwallet.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the NerdWallet website where you can log into your account if you haven't done so already by clicking on the login button at the top right corner and using your credentials. Once you are logged in, you will be taken into your homepage, from which, if you wish to change your email address, hover over to your account section at the top right corner and then click on password. You will now be taken into your password menu page, within which, if you scroll down, you will see the change email address section. Just type in your desired new email address within the new email address box and then enter your account password at the right side to authenticate your identity. After entering both your new email address and your password, click on the change email address button and now you will be asked to enter the one-time code that has been sent to your authenticator app or your SMS. So check either one of these and enter this code, and now your email address will be changed successfully. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your email address on NerdWallet. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.